Are you planning for a camping trip? You can make it even better with these gadgets, covering everything from basic gear to clever new ideas. In this video, you'll find something for every camper. These gadgets will keep you comfortable, safe, and totally prepared. All the product links are in the description below. Number 30, Biodegradable Wipes. This is perfect for outdoor trips or maybe in daily emergencies too. These eco-friendly wipes offer a simple way to stay clean. It is made from natural fibers. They're gentle on skin, unscented, and enhanced with aloe for extra care. Each wipe starts as a small tablet that expands with a splash of water into a strong, soft cloth. They are large enough for full body use and tough enough for cleaning gear. This is small in size and lightweight. They fit easily into bags or pockets. After use, they break down naturally without harming the environment. Ideal for camping, hiking, or travel. They help keep you fresh while reducing your environmental impact. Number 29, Flextail Sleeping Pad. With this, you can get both comfort and rest during outdoor trips. It works as both a seat and a sleeping mat, making it great for hiking. Light and easy to carry, it fits into a backpack without taking up much space. Also, it is made from strong waterproof material. It handles rough use and different weather. It inflates quickly with a pump and deflates just as fast for packing. The special shape supports your back and legs, easing pressure while sitting or lying down. Number 28, Ikamper Stove. This modular outdoor cooking setup is perfect for those who want a reliable and flexible way to cook in nature. It includes a sturdy tripod, powerful stove, large non-stick skillet, and a side table with cup holders. You can cook over the stove or open fire using a pulley system. It is made with strong materials like cast iron, aluminum, and birch wood, so it handles rough conditions with ease. The skillet cleans easily with just soap and water. Small and easy to pack, it offers a stable, portable kitchen for cooking meals during hikes, camping, or off-grid trips. Number 27, Rechargeable Headlamp. This tough and lightweight headlamp shines bright with up to 1,200 lumens, offering both wide flood and focused spotlight. It is made with a strong aluminum body that resists dust and rain. The light can be removed from its strap to use as a handheld flashlight with a magnetic tail for hands-free use on metal surfaces. It runs on a rechargeable battery or disposable one and shows how much power is left. The adjustable strap fits hard hats, making it great for work or outdoor activities. Number 26, Tailgater Fire Pit. This fire pit speaker has warm flames and clear sound for fun gatherings. It has marine-grade speakers and a subwoofer that deliver rich music through Bluetooth up to 60 feet away. The flames move in sync with the music, creating a lively and cozy atmosphere. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it lasts for many hours and lights up easily with an electric starter. It's built to last outdoors and is easy to carry for camping, tailgates, or backyard parties. This device brings music, warmth, and great vibes to every outdoor event. Number 25. Power Luminoodle. Good lighting is key for camping comfort and safety. This flexible, waterproof LED light rope offers bright, even light perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. It runs on USB power, so it works with portable chargers and many devices. With magnets and loops, it can hang easily in tents or on gear. The light can also be packed into a small bag to become a lantern. It is durable and water resistant. Multiple light modes let you choose brightness and color. Number 24, Folding Table. This smart camping table is made of strong, light aluminum and can change into different shapes like a shelf, lampstand, or rack. It has 3 length heights so you can sit low or use it with a chair. It has a storage net under the top to hold small items off the ground. It is easy to set up and fold. It comes with a carry bag for quick transport. The smooth tabletop is simple to clean, and the sturdy frame works well for many outdoor and indoor uses like dining, games, or cooking. Number 23, Companion V2. A compact survival pack designed for 2 people, offers everything needed to stay safe and prepared for 72 hours in emergencies. It includes tools like a knife, multi-tool, flashlight, fire starter, first aid kit, water bottle, food, and cold weather gear. The gear is organized in a sturdy, waterproof, and fire-resistant backpack with easy-to-access compartments. Powered devices use hand crank or solar energy to keep you connected and lit. Built tough for harsh conditions, it helps with shelter shelter, warmth, hydration, and safety. Tested and reliable, it gives confidence and peace of mind during urgent situations. Number 22. Gerber Stakeout Multitool. This multi-tool is built for tough outdoor and everyday tasks, combining strength and versatility in one compact design. It features a sturdy stainless steel body with multiple functions like pliers, wire cutters, a knife blade, screwdrivers, and a can opener. The tool locks securely in place for safe use and folds neatly for easy carrying. Its rugged construction handles heavy-duty jobs, making it ideal for camping, hiking, repairs, and emergency situations. The textured grip ensures a firm hold even in wet or slippery conditions. With quick access to essential tools, it saves time and effort during projects or outdoor adventures. Durable and reliable, this multi-tool is perfect for anyone needing a dependable gadget that fits in a pocket or backpack, ready for a variety of challenges. Number 21. OneTigris Camping Tent. This 4-season camping tent is strong and light, made from tough nylon with a waterproof coating to keep you dry in rain and snow. It weighs just 4.4 pounds and packs small for easy carrying on hikes or trips. The tent has a mesh inner layer that lets air flow and keeps bugs out. Flexible poles create a stable frame, and setup is simple even on rough ground. A removable blackout layer adds warmth and privacy at night. With durable materials and a smart design, this tent offers safe and comfortable shelter for all kinds of outdoor adventures. Number 20. ECOFLOW Power Station. A small, light power station provides reliable energy for outdoor trips and emergencies. It charges quickly using wall outlets, solar panels, or a car adapter. The strong battery lasts through thousands of charges and powers phones, laptops, and small appliances. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. The clear digital screen helps you check power levels easily. Quiet and tough, this device works well for camping, road trips, and off-grid adventures. It offers clean, steady power and fast recharging, giving you dependable energy on all your outdoor journeys. Number 19. Survival Pen. This compact tool works as a regular pen and much more. Made from strong, lightweight materials like aluminum, it writes smoothly and can break glass in emergencies. It also has extra features like a whistle, fire starter, or small blade, making it useful in many survival situations. Its slim shape fits easily in pockets or backpacks, ready for quick use. It can also help with self-defense if needed. It is a reliable choice for outdoor adventures and emergency kits. This tool combines everyday writing with important life-saving functions to keep you prepared. Number 18. Looft Lighter X. A portable fire starter uses a rechargeable battery to create superheated air that lights charcoal, wood, and other fuels in about a minute. It works without gas, matches, or chemicals, making it safer and cleaner. The device has 2 modes, one to warm the fuel and another to boost the flame. Its cordless and lightweight design makes it easy to carry for camping, grilling, or backyard fires. With simple button operation and automatic ignition, it helps start fires quickly and reliably, making outdoor cooking and fire building easier and more enjoyable. Number 17. Jetboil Stove. We all know that having a good stove while going out is so important, and if it's portable and light, it's a bonus. So to solve this problem, we have this lightweight stove weighs only 7.1 ounces and fits easily into any backpack. It has a strong titanium burner, and 0.8 liter pot heats water in about 2.5 minutes. The heat exchange system boosts efficiency while saving fuel. All parts, including the burner, stabilizer, and small fuel canister, fit neatly inside the pot for easy packing. Its compact build, fast boil time, and simple setup make it a smart choice for those who need hot meals or drinks while exploring. A sturdy and useful tool for solo campers and trail adventurers. Number 16. Expander Chair. This chair is also a good option because you can easily fold it when not in use. Built with a tough steel frame and durable fabric, it holds up to 265 pounds and stays stable on soft ground. The high backrest supports the whole body, and the chair folds down to a compact size, easy to carry and store. Features like a cup holder, utility pocket, and carry handle add to its usefulness. Light enough for camping trips and sturdy enough for daily use, it fits easily into small spaces. Quick to set up, it's perfect for resting at campsites, trails, or outdoor events. Number 15. Tactical Catapult. This is made from strong aerospace-grade aluminum. This compact tool combines long-distance lighting with precision targeting features. It delivers a powerful 2,700 lumen beam that can reach up to a kilometer, ideal for scanning dark areas or signaling in emergencies. The LED light includes multiple brightness modes and charges quickly through a USB-C port. Its textured body provides a firm grip during use. Alongside its lighting power, it also functions as a high-accuracy outdoor slingshot with adjustable band tension and fiber optic sights. Number 14. Garmin Plus. A small, durable satellite communicator keeps you connected in places without cell service. It lets you send texts, photos, and voice messages using a global satellite network. You can share your location and send an emergency SOS with GPS coordinates to a response center for quick help. It works with a smartphone app for easy messaging and live tracking, so friends and family can follow your journey. Built to handle tough weather, it has a long battery life and even lets you charge other devices in emergencies. Perfect for remote trips, it offers safety and peace of mind. Number 13. Inflatable Pillow. A lightweight inflatable pillow designed for outdoor trips offers great comfort without taking up much space. It inflates quickly with just a few breaths and deflates easily for fast packing. The pillow supports the head and neck well, helping you sleep better while camping, hiking, or backpacking. Its soft, breathable cover is removable and machine washable, making it easy to keep clean. Made from quiet, durable materials, it stays secure with a strap to keep it in place. This pillow is a simple, reliable choice for a good night's rest on the trail. Number 12. Water Purifier. This water purifier uses gravity to clean water safely for outdoor use. It has a 10-liter bag that hangs above a container. Water flows down through a strong filter that removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, dirt, and microplastics. It also uses activated carbon to cut chemicals and improve taste. The system is easy to set up and needs no pumping. Cleaning is simple by opening a purge hose. It is lightweight and built tough to handle rough trips. Perfect for camping, long journeys, or emergencies. It gives fresh, safe water without much effort. Number 11. Firefast Starter. This fire starter tool helps you light fires quickly and easily. Made with strong materials, it creates intense heat and bright flames, even in tough conditions. The magnesium shavings ignite fast using the included striker, while the hardwood handle offers a good grip and can be scraped to make dry tinder. It is built to last and withstand rough use. The starter fuel lights up quickly and burns steadily, working well with wood, charcoal, and other fuels. It produces little smoke and no bad smells. Compact and easy to carry, it makes starting fires safe and simple for camping, cooking, or warmth. Number 10. Utility Wagons. A utility wagon is a foldable cart made to carry heavy or bulky items over sand, grass, gravel, or pavement. Built with a strong metal frame and durable fabric sides, it can hold a large load while staying stable and easy to move. The wide wheels roll smoothly, and the padded handle makes pulling or pushing easier on your hands and back. Many wagons fold down to fit in a trunk or closet for simple storage. Great for beach trips, camping, garden work, or shopping. It helps transport gear or supplies without stress. A useful, space-saving helper for busy days. Number 9. Water Storage Bag. A strong, lightweight water bag is perfect for outdoor trips. Made from tough, waterproof materials, it holds plenty of water and stays leak-free. The wide opening makes filling and pouring easy, while the secure cap prevents spills. It can stand upright when full and folds flat to save space when empty. A clear gauge shows how much water is left. A sturdy handle and loops let you hang or attach it to your gear. Easy to clean and built to last, it helps you carry water safely and comfortably on hikes, camping, or emergencies. Number 8. Guardian Motion Sensor. A compact battery-powered motion sensor helps keep outdoor areas safe by detecting movement nearby. It uses advanced sensors to spot people or animals and sends instant alerts to your phone. Built with a strong, waterproof case, it works well in rain, dust, and rough weather. The long-lasting battery supports up to 30 hours of use without needing Wi-Fi. Easy to set up and mount around campsites, tents, or vehicles, it helps protect your gear by alerting you to unexpected visitors. scissors. Number 7. SOG Jungle Primitive. This tough survival knife is made for heavy outdoor use. Its strong 9.5-inch steel blade cuts, chops, slices, and even saws through thick plants and materials. The blade stays sharp and resists rust. The handle has a special textured grip that stays secure, even when wet. Built with a full tang design, it is strong and reliable in rough conditions. It comes with a safe sheath for easy carrying. Number 6. Portable Toilet. A compact all-in-one unit combines a small sink with running water and a toilet for easy use outdoors. The sink has a water tank and pump for clean water, making hand washing simple anywhere. The toilet features a sealed container with chemical treatment to control smells and keep waste secure. Made from lightweight, durable materials, the unit is easy to carry, set up, and clean. Perfect for camping, road trips, or emergencies. It helps maintain hygiene without plumbing. This portable system offers comfort, convenience, and safe sanitation in remote or off-grid places. Number 5. OneTigris Camping Blanket. A warm and flexible outdoor blanket that can be worn as a poncho offers great comfort and protection. Made with soft, insulated, and water-resistant materials, it keeps you cozy in cool or wet conditions. The design includes a hood for extra coverage and large pockets to keep hands warm or store small items. It is lightweight and folds into a small size, making it easy to carry in a backpack. Number 4. Tiny Mosquito Repeller. A small, easy-to-carry device helps keep mosquitoes away during outdoor trips. It uses fast heating pads that create a strong protective zone of up to 40 feet. With 3 modes to match different needs, it works for hours thanks to a built-in rechargeable battery. The unit also includes a bright lantern for nighttime tasks, and its compact design makes it simple to hang on tents, tripods, or metal surfaces. Strong enough to handle outdoor conditions, it runs quietly and efficiently. Number 3. Big Blue Solar Charger. This lightweight solar charger gives steady power for phones, tablets, and small gadgets during outdoor trips. It has multiple USB ports and smart charging that adjusts speed for each device. It is made with strong, foldable panels. It turns sunlight into energy with high efficiency. A tough, water-resistant cover protects it from rough use. Weighing about 1.4 pounds, it folds easily to fit in most backpacks. Reinforced holes and carabiners let you hang it on a tent or bag. Built-in safety features prevent overcharging or overheating. Simple to use and carry, it provides clean, portable power for camping, hiking, and travel. Number 2. Rooftop Tent. This rooftop tent mounts on top of a car or truck, offering a raised and dry place to sleep. It protects you from bugs, wet ground, and uneven surfaces. The foldable design makes it easy to set up and store, and it comes with a built-in ladder for safe climbing. Strong fabric and a sturdy frame keep it stable in wind and rain. Inside, there's a soft mattress and handy storage pockets. Mesh windows provide airflow and views of the sky. Number 1. InstaShower. This portable water heater is a good option for outdoor use. It heats water quickly using propane and a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 80 minutes, allowing multiple showers before recharging. The shower head offers adjustable water flow and spray options for comfort. Its safety features include automatic shutoff if tipped over, flame detection, and overheat protection. The device is lightweight and easy to carry, fitting well in outdoor kits. It connects to small or large propane tanks and makes staying clean outside simple and convenient with warm water on demand. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.